room tour is going on. Be careful.
There's a monster here, then I'm gonna...
Careful.
Then... Let's go in, go, let's...
Go. Hurry up.
Let's go.
But be careful. Ay, grabe.
I grabbed it, this is such a scary
I mean,
place.
yeah, I know. Hindi pa lang sa lahat ng bedroom.
This is so nice. I wish this was our house.
I wish to.
Let's... Although because we've been are boring. Oh! Oh, this is a bed. Nice! We can also sleep here.
Correct. Badaw.
This mansion is so big that I can sleep already.
Naman pa dito. Okay.
Bathroom. Another room. Dude, this is so awesome. Hey, this is so awesome. Let's go to the private pool.
Not yet.
Dude, come check out this room.
Dito pala lahat ng bedroom.
You're on top. Can we go outside?
Ooh, nice.
Go outside.
There's a rooftop?
Yeah.
Ooh.
no? Mag-party? Dapat dili ka na lang baby shower.
Lahat invited from Dubai, no? Oh, maganda sana dito ang barbecue. Ba't ayaw nila?
We have a backyard. I'm so happy. Let's go downstairs. I'm so happy. Yay!
Di man daw pwede sabi sa reception. Bawal. Yun nga yung una naming tinanong. Sabi, pwede ba kami barbecue sa taas? Hindi daw. Diyan na lang, oh.
This is so awesome.